Welcome to our comprehensive guide on how to disable new features notifications in X. If you're tired of being constantly notified about new features and want to have more control over your notification experience, you've come to the right place. In this guide, we'll walk you through the step-by-step process. Let's get started. Step 1. Open the X app on your device. As the app opens, you'll find yourself on the main screen. Step 2. Locate the account icon positioned at the top right corner of the screen. Tap on it to access your account settings. Step 3. In the Account Settings menu, tap on Settings and Support. This action will open a drawer with additional options. Step 4. From the drawer, tap on Setting and Privacy. This will take you to a new screen where you can manage various settings. Step 5. On the new screen, tap on Notifications and then tap on Preferences. This is where you can customize your notification preferences. Step 6. Look for and tap on Push Notifications. By selecting this option, you'll have control over the notifications that X sends to your device. Step 7. Finally, locate the option labeled First Look at New Features and disable it. This will ensure that you no longer receive notifications about new features in X. Congratulations, you have successfully disabled new features notifications in X, allowing you to have a more focused and uninterrupted experience on the platform. Thank you for watching, and may your X experience be free from constant notifications about new features.